Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will factorize the following using special products of algebraic expression. Okay, so what are some of the special products for this particular question? I saw that it is a plus, so I am going to make use of this a plus b bracket square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay? And so, for this particular question, you will then see Mr. Tan thinking about what could be a good substitute for a and what could be a good substitute for b. So let's move to A first, okay? So you will see Mr. Tan, instead of writing 49a square, I will write it as something bracket square. And of course, within it, a square is a times a. What about 49? If I square root 49, I will get what number? Brilliant, 7, because 7 times 7 is 49. And there is still the 2 outside. This one later on, then we will think about it. But now we would have gotten our A. Now is our B. Because then this one is just plus my b square. For b, then I will turn my attention to 4. Square root 4 would be 2, because 2 times 2 is 4, 2 square. And indeed, alright, so we have just now have gotten that 7 a bracket square is my 49a square. Then, if I have a 2 times 7, 14 times 2, it does give me back my 28, and of course there is the a down there. So everything pieced nicely into it, and therefore I would be able to write my final answer in the factorized form. And in the factorized form, I need to know what is my a. In this case is 7a. And what is my b? My b would be 2. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following using some special product of a algebraic expression, okay? And the special product we are talking about would be a minus b bracket square, because I saw the s square t square minus 16st. So how do we exactly use this special product or formula? If you can see it, our objective now would then be to identify the respective a and b. Because once we can identify the a and the b, we could write down the final answer easily. And you would then see me, instead of writing s square t square, Mr. Tan will write it as something square minus, there is always the 2 down there, so I minus the 2, and I need to times my a and my b, and after that I need to plus my b square. Okay, just to make sure that you don't, okay. And so from here you can then see that what Mr. Tan is going to write here, st square, because s times s, s square, t times t, t square. And indeed, I will also be able to get my ST later on when I multiply. Now, what number times what number gives me 64? And the number is exactly the same. Meaning, what is square root of 64? Very good. It's 8. 8 times 8 is indeed equals to 64. And going back to my middle part, 2 times 8 does give me back my 16. And after that, I multiply by ST. It will give me my ST. And everything pieced nicely together. So using the special product, I can then easily get my final answer. My A would then be my ST. My B will be 8. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following, and I will make use of this special product. A squared minus B squared equals to A plus B times A minus B, such that if I am able to identify my A, I can just put it into this special product or formula. B will be here, and do take note, usually the A will be good to be expressed as a bracket. So now, how do I get this 49B squared into this form? Bracket square. Alright, the B is pretty straightforward. B times B is B squared. What about my 49? Aha! Square root 49 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 squared is 49. Now is my 1. What number times what number will give me back 1? Haha, you all are smart, right? Yeah, 1 times 1 is 1. And so, I would be able to get my final answer pretty straightforward. Something A plus B, A minus B, and my A is 7B. And my B is 1. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following. I see something square minus something square. I realize I can tap on A square minus B square equals to A plus B, A minus B. And now our job is to then identify my A square. What is my A? And my B square in this formula. Then as I go back to this question, I realize, oh, if I press square root 72, it does not give me a nice number. I press square root 2, it also does not give me back a nice number. And therefore, I knew that I have to do something else first. And I saw that, hey, 72 and 2 has a common factor 2. 72 divided by 2 will give me back 36. And there's a U square. 2 divided by 2, I've taken out the 2 as the common factor. I'm left with V square. And yes, indeed, I could continue already. The 2 is outside. Now, I would just need to rewrite the 36 U square as something bracket square minus something bracket square for my V square. V is very straightforward, is V square. And the U is pretty straightforward. What about 36? Yep. 6 times 6 gives me back my 36. And therefore, I will be able to get my final answer. 2 is outside. I will have my A as 6U, V as my B in the formula. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following. And do take note, I saw that I could actually apply the following because I see the plus, right? But even before we apply that, hold on. I noticed something. I noticed that the expression all has a common factor. What number is that? Brilliant. 5. Such that I would have 9. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 60 divided by 5 would be 12. And 20 divided by 5 would be positive 4 and square. And after which, I could continue. And my job now is to identify my A. Looking at the 9m squared here, I must be able to write it in such a way that it is this. And after that, I plus my 2. Why is there a 2? The formula has a 2 down there. Times my A, times my B, plus my B square. So, m square probably is quite straightforward. There's an m down there. What about my 9? Brilliant. 3 times 3 is 9. Now, let's turn our attention after we got that to my b square, which comes from here. So my b, what do you think it can be? N times n is n square. Square root of 4 is? Very good. 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And indeed, 2 times 3 times 2 will give me back my 12. There's a m and n, m and n. And so, final answer, you would see Mr. Tan writing this down. The 5 is always outside. And there's something, bracket square with a plus. What is my A? 3m. And what is my B? 2n. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.